how to turn on or turn off My Files in customized apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and from here, tap on General Management. After that, we scroll down and tap on Customization Service. Then scroll down and tap on My Files. Tap on My Files toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. In here, you can get help clearing space if your device starts running out of room while you are traveling. So to get recommendations and advice on your storage space, you can turn on My Files in customized apps. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.